Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you again today. We're going to start with rhyming words. I'm going to say 3 words and you're going to repeat the 2 that rhyme. Here we go. Rip, tap, rap. Knot, nut, gut. Zip, pop, top. Will, yell, tell. Ran, fun, run. But, got, hot. Him, yam, ham. Sand, end, send. Roll, hill, pill. Map, lip, hip. Good. Let's listen for beginning sounds now. So I'm going to say 3 words, you repeat them, and together we'll make the beginning sound. Win, wide, wall. W. Yes, yell, yak. Y. Zip, zoom, zero. Z. Ball, bug, bed. B. Dime, did, does. D. Food, feet, fish. Gap, go, gum. G. Hip, happy, he. Okay, let's blend syllables. So I'm going to give you the 2 parts. You're going to repeat them and then we'll blend them together. Here we go. Never. Never. Clip-er. Clipper. Pillow. Pillow. Destroy. Destroy. Apple. Apple. Recent. Recent. Shadow. Shadow. Partner. Partner. Final. Final. Simple. Simple. Good job. Now we're going to listen for ending sounds. So I'll say 2 words, you repeat them, and then we'll say the ending sound together. Week, take. K. Mile, meal. L. 10, pain. N. Lip, cup. P. Was, quiz. Z. Coat, hat. T. Cave, move. V. Box, fox. X. Nice, horse. S. Mob, tribe. B. Good. Now let's segment syllables. So I'm going to give you the word. You're going to repeat the word, and then you are going to clap out the syllables. Now each of these is only 2 syllables, so you should only have 2 claps for each word. Here we go. Bacon. The word is flower. The word is connect. The word is pedal. The word is music. The word is wallet. The word is singing. The word is purple. The word is honey. The word is color. Good job. Okay, now we're going to substitute syllables. So we'll start with a 2-syllable word and we'll replace the first syllable with a different word. Here we go. The word is shouted. Change shout to wait. Waited. The word is waited. Change wait to heat. Heated. The word is heated. Change heat to pound. Pounded. The word is pounded. Change pound to list. Listed. The word is listed. Change list to shout. Shouted. Good. Now we're going to add syllables. So we'll start with 1 syllable. We'll add a second one. The word is wind. Add O to the end. Window. The word is yell. Add O to the end. Yellow. The word is pill. Add O to the end. Pillow. The word is gel. Add O to the end. Jello. The word is fell. Add O to the end. Fellow. Good. Now we're going to delete syllables, so we'll start with our 2-syllable word, delete the second syllable. Here we go. The word is jumping. Without ing, the word is jump. The word is picking. Without ing, the word is pick. The word is fishing. Without ing, the word is fish. The word is kicking. Without ing, the word is kick. The word is packing. Without ing, the word is pack. Good job. Okay, last exercise is counting words in spoken sentences. Remember, we talked about if you need help counting them, you can pound the words in your fist as you say the sentence back to yourself, or you can clap the words to yourself while you say the sentence. Here we go. The thunder is so loud. Five. My shoes get wet in puddles. That's 6. Will we go to the library today? That one is 7. That was a big one. The leaves change color in fall. Six. I love writing funny stories. And that one was 5. Good job today.